Hey everyone, after installing n8n on your MacBook by following my previous tutorial, you can take start from this easy workflow, and then we will be proceeding with the complex automations in the next videos. So you just have to create a trigger first by creating a workflow, and you can name it here. We are using a form submission in this, so we'll hit this button, and from here you can give a title. So let's say automation service selection. So in this case I will be, let's say you can choose one of 3 services. Let's say we are using n8n, so automation service name. Let's say we are using n8n, make.com, and Zapier. So first option will be, let's say, n8n. The next option will be Zapier. Third option will be make.com, and okay, we can add another form element, that is, let's say, date of installation, because we are going to send alerts whenever someone select a service, and he will give us the date of installation as well. So we have to select date from here. We can make the fields required if we need, and the response when a form is submitted. We can test it by clicking on this button, execute step, and the form will pop up, and here we just have to select a drop down, let's say n8n, and there will be a date, let's say 3, and when I submit this, we can see the output on the right window. n8n is selected in that date, and we can go back, and we are going to use if else statement condition here. So we need to type it here, and let's say if the automation service is equal to string equal to n8n, only in that case it should proceed with the true value. So we tested it, and we have a result. So in the true case it will proceed for an alert, and in the false case, let's say do nothing, no operation, and yeah, it will have no operation. And if it is true, it will proceed to send an alert, let's say through Gmail, because I have made the connection for Gmail already. You can create it by yourself by following my previous video as well. And I'm gonna send this to my Gmail. Subject is automation service selection, and here I'm gonna hit this and open a new window. I write it here like new request for the automation on, let's say I'm gonna drag this here. For it will give us the value of n8n, and on the next line we will write the installation date is let's say, yeah, I'll drag this. We can change the field name, let's say deadline or whatever we want, but yeah, we can try executing this, and it is sent in my inbox, and yeah, the automation is set up. We can make it active. Got it. And when we click on here, let's say open production URL, we have this URL. We can go open this URL in a new window, and the form will appear, and we can hit it, submit this, and it will keep working live. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and watch next videos. Thank you.